All right, class, thank you so much for joining me today. So first of all, I just want to extend a big congratulations to all of you. We're at the final lecture of Unit 2, so great work making it to this point. I know it's been a tremendous amount of very hard material in this unit, so congratulations to all of you for making it this far. So what we're going to be doing today is finishing up this argument we've been making over the last couple lectures about the efficiency of competitive markets. So we're going to start by tying together the different kinds of efficiency we've thought about in the way that our markets allocate goods between individuals, the way they allocate inputs in production to different industries, and the way they determine what gets produced into a single statement about what assumptions we need to believe that the outcomes of competitive markets are efficient. But once we've done that, we're going to also explore the flip side of this, the ways in which markets might not be efficient. So we're going to talk about the assumptions we need in order to claim that markets result in Pareto-efficient outcomes, and we're going to think about why and whether those assumptions might be violated in the real world, and why that might explain some of the aspects of our society that seem puzzling or undesirable. We're also going to step even beyond that and say, even when markets are efficient, they might not produce outcomes that match our sense of equity or justice. Right? As we talked about a couple lectures ago, we live in a world where I think the last Avengers movie had total box office revenue that was greater than all of the money spent in a year on malaria prevention. Right? We live in a world where, as we talked about, the pay of different jobs, right? The pay of telemarketers versus preschool teachers might not match what we believe is just. We live in a world where you've got massive homelessness at the same time that you have individuals renting apartments for their daughter's cats, or as vacation homes, or for other things that we might think of as relatively frivolous. So we're going to move past just talking about the economics today to think a little bit about the philosophical underpinnings of what we might think of as social justice or social welfare, and thinking about how market equilibria and our sense of efficiency in markets compares to our sense of a socially just or equitable distribution of resources, or a socially just outcome. Okay, awesome.